Welcome to Interesting Data Comparison Channel.
Banshee. In Irish folklore, the banshee is a female spirit who wails to forewarn of impending death in a family. Blizin refers to restless spirits in Korean folklore, believed to be souls of the deceased with unfinished business or unresolved emotions. The Bell Witch is a legendary American ghost said to haunt the Bell family in Tennessee in the early 19th century. Azzurina is an Italian legend about a young girl who disappeared mysteriously in the Montebello Castle in 1375. Orang Minyak, meaning oily man, is a Malaysian legend about a supernatural being covered in oil, terrorizing villages. El Coco is a Spanish folklore figure, a boogeyman used to frighten children into good behavior. Keech Candy is a mythical creature from Nepali folklore, often depicted as a female spirit haunting forests and rivers. SHAKCHUNNI is a female ghost in Bengali folklore, often depicted as a restless spirit wandering at night. ONRYO are vengeful spirits in Japanese folklore, typically women who died under tragic circumstances seeking revenge. The YETI, also known as the Abominable Snowman, is a legendary ape-like creature said to inhabit the Himalayan mountains. Frau Holly, in German folklore, is a supernatural being associated with winter, spinning, and rewarding hard work. The SERPOPARD is a mythical creature from ancient Egyptian art, combining the body of a leopard with a serpent's head. WANGLIANG is a legendary Chinese ghost known for haunting and causing misfortune to those who encounter it. BACKAHASTEN is a mythical creature from Swedish folklore, depicted as a spectral horse that lures travelers astray in forests. La PISADEIRA is a Brazilian folklore figure described as a hag who sits on the chest of sleeping people, causing nightmares. The BUNYIP is a mythical creature from Australian Aboriginal folklore, said to inhabit water holes, rivers, and swamps. PISHACHA is a malevolent spirit in Indian mythology, often depicted as a flesh-eating demon haunting cremation grounds. Lasmala is a phenomenon in Argentine folklore, described as mysterious lights believed to be spirits or omens. JIANGSHI, also known as hopping vampires, are reanimated corpses from Chinese folklore, often depicted as hopping and preying on the living. The DWENDE is a malevolent spirit from Jewish folklore, believed to be the soul of a deceased person possessing the living. Pichal is a mythical creature from Pakistani folklore, depicted as a backward-facing fairy with a malevolent nature. Bloody Mary is a legendary ghost in British folklore, said to appear in mirrors when called upon. KORMOZ is a mythical creature from Turkish folklore, described as a shape-shifting being that can take various forms. DYBBUK, DWENDE or the Eyes, is a ghost that is said to haunt the Sonian forest in Belgium, often seen in fog form and followed by smaller shadow figures. These airport ghosts are identified by Ferguson as THAYE or THAYE. In remote rural areas of Myanmar, many villagers believe these ghosts can cause illness, disease, or worse. Madam Koi Koi is a figure from Nigerian urban legend, believed to be a ghostly presence that makes a knocking sound while walking. In Colombia, La Fuego or Candelaria is the willow, the wisp ghost of a vicious grandmother who raised her grandchildren without morals, and as such they became thieves and murderers. Duwende is a mischievous dwarf-like spirit in Philippine folklore, often dwelling in trees, mounds, or underground places. STRZYGA is a vampire-like creature from Polish folklore, often depicted as a shapeshifter or a demonic being preying on the living. The Wendigo is a mythical creature from Algonquian folklore, believed to be a malevolent spirit or a cannibalistic monster. ARGENTINA is a legendary figure from Moroccan folklore, often depicted as a seductive female jinn associated with bodies of water. Vrouwen, or white women, are mythical beings in Dutch folklore, described as wise, ghostly women dwelling in forests or misty areas. ASANBOSAM is a mythical creature from Ghanaian folklore, depicted as a vampire-like being with iron teeth, living in trees and preying on humans. SAMCA is an evil spirit in Romanian mythology. She most commonly takes the appearance of a naked woman with disheveled hair growing down to her heels, with small eyes that shine as brightly as the stars. IFRIT is a powerful and malevolent spirit in Arabian folklore, often depicted as a rebellious and evil jinni. The TIKOLOSHE is a mythical creature from South African folklore, described as a mischievous and malevolent water spirit or demon. Final, let's review the overview list. Please like and subscribe so we have the motivation to continue developing. Thank you.